Glad you've hopped over to join us at Traveling Kangaroo. We're all about embracing the thrill of travel and the joy of discovery. Today we're taking a unique twist on exploring the world. Instead of planes or cars, we're talking trains. But not just any trains. We're diving into the most scenic train journeys that every couple should experience together. Romantic, captivating, and utterly unforgettable. Embark on this journey with us as we explore the most scenic train rides across the globe. First stop, the iconic Orient Express, taking us through the heart of Europe. This legendary train journey is the epitome of sophistication and elegance, a true throwback to an era of grandeur and romance. Imagine winding your way through the diverse landscapes of Europe, from the romantic city of Paris to the mystical allure of Istanbul, in a lavishly furnished cabin, reminiscent of the Roaring Twenties. As you traverse through the mesmerizing terrains of France, Switzerland, Austria, Hungary, Romania, and Bulgaria, each view from your window is like a moving painting, a feast for the eyes. The train's exquisite dining car serves up gourmet meals, allowing you to savor the flavors of the regions you travel through. And as night falls, the gentle sway of the train lulls you to sleep in your luxurious suite, a cocoon of comfort and style. So that was the enchanting Orient Express, a perfect blend of luxury and scenic beauty. Next, we trek to the vast landscapes of Canada aboard the Rocky Mountaineer. The journey on this train is an unforgettable adventure, an exploration of Canada's wild heart, a voyage through time. As the Rocky Mountaineer glides along the tracks, the views evolve from towering peaks to verdant forests, from tranquil lakes to rushing rivers. Every corner turned reveals a new spectacle, each more breathtaking than the last. The Rocky Mountaineer doesn't just offer a journey, it offers an experience. The train's glass-domed cars provide an uninterrupted panorama of the ever-changing scenery. And as we traverse through the wilderness, wildlife encounters become part of the journey's charm. From the majestic bald eagles soaring above to the elusive black bears lurking in the woods, nature's spectacle is on full display. This journey isn't just about reaching a destination, it's about immersing oneself in the journey itself, embracing the rhythm of the rails, the poetry of the landscape. The Rocky Mountaineer, a true testament to Canada's wild and untamed beauty. Now, let's glide through the Swiss Alps on the Glacier Express. Imagine journeying through a land of enchanting panoramas, cocooned in the comfort of a train that seems to be stitched into the very fabric of the landscape. As we journey from Zermatt to St. Moritz, the Glacier Express lifts the veil on a world of pristine beauty. A world where snow-capped peaks kiss the sky and valleys cradle tranquil turquoise lakes. Each twist and turn of the track reveals another breathtaking vista. The rugged majesty of the Alps, the quaint charm of alpine villages, and the serene stillness of remote landscapes all contribute to a journey that is as captivating as it is unforgettable. And let's not forget the warmth of Swiss hospitality. On board, you're treated to a delightful gastronomic experience, with meals crafted to reflect the richness and variety of Swiss cuisine. The Glacier Express, a mesmerizing journey through the heart of Switzerland. A hop aboard the Ghan as we traverse the rugged terrains of Australia. An epic adventure awaits as we journey through the heart of the continent, from Adelaide in the south to Darwin in the north. Over 2,000 kilometers of unique landscapes unfold. Marvel at the vast expanses of the Red Centre, where the crimson earth meets the azure sky. As we make our way, we are privileged to witness Australia's diverse wildlife. From bounding kangaroos to soaring eagles, every glance out the window offers a front-row seat to nature's theater. The Ghan itself is a marvel. With its luxurious cabins and world-class dining, the train ensures that you travel in comfort. Indulge in gourmet meals as the panoramic views of Australia's Outback roll by. This is a journey where the getting there is as breathtaking as the destination. The Ghan, a journey that encapsulates the spirit of Australia. Finally, we embark on the longest railway journey in the world, the Trans-Siberian Railway. As the wheels turn, we traverse across the vast expanse of Russia, a country that commands both respect and intrigue. Imagine a journey that stretches over 9,000 kilometers, connecting Moscow to the far eastern town of Vladivostok. As we glide along the tracks, the changing landscapes narrate tales of their own. From the sprawling metropolis of Moscow, through the dense Siberian forests, across the Great Ural Mountains, and alongside the serene Lake Baikal, each view is a picturesque postcard waiting to be discovered. This isn't just a journey, it's an immersive cultural experience. On board, you'll mingle with locals, sample traditional Russian cuisine, and listen to stories that have shaped this vast nation. The Trans-Siberian Railway isn't just a means of transportation. It's a voyage into the heart of Russia, a thrilling exploration of its diverse landscapes and rich history. Trans-Siberian Railway, a thrilling ride across the heart of Russia. What an incredible journey we've had exploring the most scenic train rides. We've traversed Europe's timeless beauty on the Orient Express, witnessing its alluring landscapes and historic landmarks. We've journeyed across Canada's majestic wilderness, aboard the rocky Mountaineer, soaking in the awe-inspiring views of towering peaks and sparkling lakes. We've glided through Switzerland's snowy mountainscapes on the Glacier Express, a ride that truly encapsulates the essence of a winter wonderland. We've crossed the heart of Australia aboard the Ghan, a journey that unveiled the vast and varied landscapes of the land down under. And we've journeyed from Moscow to Vladivostok on the Trans-Siberian Railway, a journey that took us through the heart of Russia and its breathtaking countryside. Each of these journeys offers a unique experience, a chance to see the world from a new perspective, to create unforgettable memories. So, why not embark on your own adventure? Experience the thrill of the journey, the joy of discovery, the wonder of the world seen from a train window. These aren't just train rides, they are experiences of a lifetime, stories waiting to be told, memories waiting to be made. Thank you for joining us at Traveling Kangaroo. We hope that these journeys have inspired you, filled you with wanderlust, and sparked your curiosity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more exciting travel adventures.